What's up, YouTube? Here's another DIY with burner locals. I'm gonna replace this old ugly medicine cabinet, made it into a more modern look. So follow me along to see how it comes out. So this is how it looks after I removed it. Actually, it was really quick to remove. We only had 4 screws on, well, 2 screws on each side. So that came out. So now I gotta think what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with this look right here. So we'll see. Transfer it over. What's up, guys? So I'm back here. I already cut all my pieces. I'm just doing a dry fit right now. And then again, you can see right here, the wall's not even level, so I had to cut it short. But once I put the trim or the molding, it's gonna hide that part. So and then right here I did a dado, I think that's what you call it, to insert a little shelf. My wife only wants one shelf, so that's what it's gonna look. I'm gonna stain it, a dark stain, and we'll put it together. All right, so now I'm gonna stain the pieces. I'm using Minwax wood finish 750. So here we go. See how it comes out. There you go. We'll come back either later on or tomorrow when it gets dry, and we'll put it all together. So guys, I'm back here. The wood's all dry from the stain. So now I'm gonna put a little clear wood finish, since it's gonna be in the bathroom with the moisture and stuff like that. You want to protect the wood a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 or 2 coats of it. This is how I do it. I get one of these bristle brushes, a little bit, real quick. Slap it on. Light coat. Less is always better. We'll just let it dry. Alright, so now I'm gonna assemble the medicine cabinet. You can do it different ways. I chose to do it on here because since the wall's not level, I wanna have trouble throwing it in there. And I'll be using my Ryobi air gun. This is a pretty good 2.5, so I'm gonna be using that. So that should be enough just to hold it in. And we'll do one more. Whoa, bring it. This is right, left. I actually labeled them, that way I don't forget. should be fine. And this was right. This right here. The top part. I'm gonna get one first. Right here. No, it was this way. There we go. Alright. This one's a little tape, glue. Sorry. There we go. There we go. Now we're gonna do the bottom part. Yes. And then the top one, I had to put a little bit of, I had to shim it because if you can see here, it's coming down. That way it stays a little bit level. Even though I'm going to cover it, it doesn't really matter, but. That's cool. Alright, so all I need is the molding. I'm gonna cut it and we'll add it on in a while. I already went ahead and started the little frame around the cabinet thing here. So I already went ahead and painted it. All I need is just a couple of little holes, and I'm gonna get ready to put the last ones on, and that'll be it. Here's the last piece. I actually use plywood for this. Just because I went to the box store the other day and there was just a big line to get in, so I figured I'll just make my own. There it is. So there it is. Ready just to cover all the little holes. And she's all done. Hopefully you guys like it. Leave your comments in the bottom if you have any. I want to thank you for checking out my page. Also, if you guys want to follow or subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe here. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, my page is Bearded Locals Woodworks. If you guys see anything that you guys like there and you guys want me to make a video, leave a comment. So thank you and see you guys on the next video.